Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're in the small town of Cacin in the province of Granada in Andalusia to show you this large end of terrace village house. This house is approximately 200 square metres and sits on a plot of around 150 square metres. There are 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bath. So as we walk in, we're straight into this reception area, sitting room. The rooms are good sizes. The house is livable. You'd want to do a bit of updating, but you could move in straight away. And then as we go through, we have another sitting area with large wood burning stove. Now the town of Cacin is nicely placed because it's only 20 minutes from Alhama de Granada and also about 20-25 minutes to the main motorway. So you have good access for Malaga Airport and also Granada City. So just off of the sitting room is this kitchen. As you can see, it's a little dated, but that's easy solved. It's got a decent size. And then here, this is the main bathroom. And just through the kitchen, we have a laundry area. And it's a really good size space. And this goes through to the patio. It's a very, very nice patio, good size. And then through to the huge garage. This is a storeroom. You could easily take that down if you didn't want it. And then this very large garage, which you access from the street behind the house. This door here leads you to the street at the side of the house. And as you can see, we have a few levels of property. Now in the village, you'll find that there are some bars, a doctor in the morning, a small shop, and lots of wonderful places to go walking and cycling. This is a very popular area for both of those things. It's an understair pantry, always useful. Okay, let's head upstairs. I've got some wood beams here. And then, as is quite traditional in these old houses, at the top of this first set of stairs is this room, which we wouldn't list as a bedroom because it leads off to other rooms. Now this bedroom is quite interesting, I think, because you have the possibility of making an ensuite. Just the other side of this door, if I can open it. At the moment is just a loo. But we don't think this wall is a supporting wall. And this area here, which as you can see is used for storage, you could easily knock down this wall and create a good ensuite. And we can also go out this way, which takes us back into this first room at the top of the stairs. Now as we go through, we have a really nice large light room. This is on the street side. And as you can see here, has some quite nice views. Now we think that it would be possible in here to make an ensuite for this bedroom by perhaps cutting through where this picture is. Obviously you would need to get an architect in to have a look at the structural issues, if there are any, for doing that kind of work. And of course, also get permission to do so. And we have another level, so we're going to go up again. This is a very original staircase. You can see all the stairs are not quite the same height. And then from here, you've got some nice views of the countryside. Just behind the curtain there is some storage. And then again, we have another room at the street side. So it's the third bedroom. And this one too has nice views over the countryside. And we think as well it would be possible to make this into either an ensuite room or a studio perhaps. But you could easily turn this section of the first room into a really good sized bathroom. So that's the village house in Cacin. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do like and share. Please do comment below. Request your viewings in the comment section below too. Subscribe to our channel. And if you hit the notification button, you'll be informed of all of our videos as we upload them. And we look forward to showing you around your potentially new home here in the province of Granada in Andalusia. Thank you for watching.